The second most common thing to be remodeled in anybody's home is the bathroom. But what does it cost? No one really wants to tell you. Is it gonna cost $50,000? Is it gonna cost $5? Well, of course, the answer makes a difference. How large is your bathroom? What are you doing? But what I can tell you is what it costs to redo the bathrooms of our investment property here in Arizona. In this property, my husband and I opted to completely redo not one, but 2 of the bathrooms. With the redoing of the bathrooms, we did everything from putting in new tile floor, brand new vanities, mirrors, ripping out the old showers and bathtubs and retiling it. So what does it cost? Let's get to the point, right? Well, to do both the tile showers, that includes one that's a walk-in shower, one that's a bathtub/shower mixture, including a whole new bathtub and pan, cost us $5,775. Unfortunately, that isn't where the cost ended with that. Once we tore everything out, we discovered that we had some drainage problems happening in both the bathrooms. So we had an unexpected extra $2,200 cost to bring a plumber in and redo the stack and the drains to ensure that our future tenants wouldn't have any issues. To redo the vanities, we decided just to go on Wayfair and order pre-done vanities. You can see here these vanities actually came with the countertops. Now, they came with poles and countertops. They did not come with the actual fixtures. But the vanities themselves from Wayfair were approximately $1,100 each. We also, when going through, decided let's redo the floor. There was already tile floor in the bathrooms, but it wasn't quite the style we were going for. And we know with any investment property, it's important that both your kitchen and bathrooms have some sort of personality that may speak to that future renter. So since bathrooms are a small amount of square footage, we decided to tear out what was already there for flooring, put in new tile floors. The new tile floors for both bathrooms combined was only $1,500. That includes the tile, the demo of the old tile, and the installation of the tile. When thinking about redoing a bathroom, don't overlook your flooring. It seems like it's gonna be a big expense, but bathrooms normally have relatively low square footage, so you can redo that flooring without spending a ton of money, but it makes a huge difference in the overall aesthetics. Now, when redoing the bathroom, there's obviously a lot of other little things that go into it, from the faucets, the lighting you select, mirrors, the towel racks, all those little things. So once you add all those into the bigger expenses, the total cost for both bathrooms was only $13,699. And that's for 2 bathrooms. For an investment property, it was a no-brainer for us because we know it's gonna make all the difference in us getting a tenant in place in a timely manner and for the monthly rent we're looking for. So if you have any questions at all about investing in properties in Arizona, you want any additional information about the different things we selected during our remodel, or just have any questions as a whole about Arizona real estate, please give me a call, drop me a message, send me an email. Again, I'm Andrea Lilienfeld with the K Grant Group, powered by my home group real estate out of Scottsdale, Arizona.